Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a short MP4 or GIF sized under 30 MB so playback is smooth and won't lag. Make sure you have admin rights and a user account with passwords set, then enable any required settings in your third-party Wallpaper app. Once done, back up the existing lock screen image to a safe folder so you can restore it if needed. This avoids losing the default look and prepares your PC for the next installation step right away. You now install the chosen Video Lock Screen app and run it as administrator to grant required permissions. Import your MP4 or GIF into the app, then set looping and mute so sound doesn't play on the lock screen. Next, assign the imported file explicitly to lock screen rather than desktop. This ensures the background shows before sign-in. Make sure the app is allowed in background apps and set to start with Windows so the effect persists after reboot. You finish by locking the PC and watching the lock screen for 10 to 30 seconds to confirm smooth playback. If you see a frozen or black screen, make sure the video codec is compatible, update your GPU drivers, and check that the app has lock screen or background permission. If problems persist, restore your backed up image and try a shorter, lower resolution file. Finally, set the app to auto start so the lock screen video returns after reboots. And you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.